How to add customer account login icon in Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add your customer account login on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, you might want to display the customer's login info or, where they are supposed to log in your header over here. It usually looks super nice, and you might even want to display it on the top. So I'll show you guys how to do both of those things step by step. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you have to do is head on over to your Shopify store. And once you open up your Shopify store, you're going to click on settings on the bottom left. Once you click on settings on the bottom left, you are going to click on customer accounts on the left side. Once you click on customer accounts, you're going to click on edit over here. And then once you click on edit, you're going to click on show login link, and you're just going to check this out. Once you check this box, you will have two options: whether or not people can use the new customer accounts where they can log in with a one-time code, or the customers can log in with their email and password. I like to keep the classic account. Then below that, you have customizing your checkout, which we're going to leave. Then you have the URL where you can actually create this for people to log in, and I'll show you guys how we're going to use this later on. But below that, you have your branding, where you can customize the customer accounts in your online store. So you are going to click on customize theme over here. And once you click on customize theme, you can get started with building your login page for customers. So if I click on this, we can increase the padding on this a little, increase the bottom padding as well. We can click on the section below this. In our bottom section, we can add section to template, and we can add a different kind of section. So let's say we have like a welcome text. You can add that if you want. You can add, a blog post, custom liquid pages, GIFs, anything you want, but I'm going to keep it simple with the login page, and I'm just going to click on save. Now, once you have this page customized, just go back into your settings, go into customer accounts, and after that, we have this URL where people can access the new customer accounts, classic customer accounts, and then sign in with shop. Now, once we have this done, I'm going to show you guys our online store. So this is our online store over here now, and once you do this, you're going to be able to add the icon over here. So we're going to make sure that our settings have been saved, because you want to make sure you're actually saving your settings like this, and then click on save on the top right. Now once you click on save, you should be able to see an icon on the left side. It might take a couple of seconds for this to be updated or synced up, so just let the settings sync up for a bit, and then make sure that you have saved the classic logins over here as well. So now that our settings have been saved, you guys can see this is our little icon. So our icon has been added to our customer header, to the website header, so our customers can log in. And once you click on this, this will lead them to the login page. Now you might want to add it over here in your actual navigation panel or your top toolbar. You can easily do that as well, and I'll show you guys exactly how. So to be able to add this in your navigation menu or in your top toolbar, what you're going to do is, first off, I'm going to show you guys how to add it in your top toolbar. So to do that, you're going to click on settings on the bottom left, go into customer accounts, and then scroll down. Now I'm using the classic customer account, so I'm going to copy the URL from that. If you're using the new customer accounts, then you're going to copy the above URL. But I'm just going to take this URL, which is going to be different for everyone. You're going to copy this. Now, once you have copied this, you're going to your online store and then click on customize. Once you click on customize, you're going to click on your top header or your top announcement bar. And then on the left section, you're going to have all of the information of this announcement bar. And you can just click on the text over here, and then you can edit it as well. You can also, move it to the next position, but this is our text in our announcement bar. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to edit the text to say register to become a customer, like this. And then I'm going to paste the registration link that we just had like this. So I'm just going to paste that link like so. And now I can click on save on the top right. Now, once I've clicked on save, let's preview our website now. So if we preview our website over here, this is the register to become a customer. And once you click on this, you can be led back to the login or create account page. Now you can copy the create account login. I added register, so I'm pretty sure I should have added this link instead of the login link, but you can add, the login link depending on what you've added. Now, after you have done that, if you click on your pages over here, you're going to see all of your basic pages, but to see your account pages, you have to go into settings and go into customer account. That's just how it is. But to be able to add it directly in your header so people can find the registration option listed over here. So to do that, you're just going to copy your registration link and then go into your Shopify dashboard. In your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on online store. And once you click on online store, you're going to click on navigation over here. Once you click on navigation on the left panel, you are going to click on your main menu. Once you click on your main menu, you're going to click on add menu item. And then you're going to enter the name as registration or register. And then you're going to search or paste for a link. You guys will be able to see multiple pages that you have will be listed over here, but we're going to paste our registration link over here and then click on add. Once you click on add, you can click on save on the top right. And now let's preview our store once more to see our new store section. So if I open up my Shopify store, currently our menu hasn't been added, so I'm going to go into online store, go into navigation just to double check. And once I go into navigation, I have my main menu. So our main menu is here. This should refresh and add the registration icon any second now. So just like that, I refreshed our page and you guys can see our registration icon or registration section has been added. And if I click on that, I can get started with registering on our Shopify store. So in this way, you can build customer registration sections. You can further customize them as well. And you can further customize the entire section for people to register. So you can just go into customize, then go into the top section over here. Click on classic customer accounts, and this will show you all of the pages that your customers can view in their customer account. So they have their account page, activation page, customer address, customer login, order, registration, and reset password. So this is the current basic page that people have for their customer login. You can customize that. You can customize any of these pages in your customer login in your Shopify website editor. So in this way, you can get started. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to build your own customer logins and customer registration in both your header, in your navigation panel, and in your announcement bars. And make sure to leave a like if you found this video helpful, and if you have any thoughts to share, anything that you think I might have missed out, or then leave that in the comment box down below. I will love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.